Hi everyone, I'm Krista Myers, editor-in-chief of ETF.com, here with a very quick midday market minute update. We have news that President Trump has essentially threatened Beijing with retaliatory tariffs to the retaliatory tariffs, upping those tariffs against China up to 50% from the 34% that had originally been put into effect. And that is all because China hit us back with some tariffs because we levied a tax against all of their imports into the United States. Right now, markets are absolutely in the red and are continuing to slump. We are now in bear market territory. That is a 20% decline from a recent high. And that is, again, all down to the headlines that we are getting out every single hour around those Trump tariffs. Here's where there is opportunity. It is going to be all of the inverse ETFs. It is the only place we can see a lot of green across the screen. Yang, for example, YANG, that is a direction daily China Bear 3X shares ETF. That is up over 25% right now. We also have other inverse ETFs doing well, and we are seeing investors piling more into leveraged and inverse ETFs. Let's take a look at the flows for just last week. I have them here. So for the week that ended by March 31st, we only had $501 million flowing into leveraged ETFs. For the week that ended this past Friday, that number jumped to $3.8 billion. Now, what does that say? That says investors right now are looking anywhere for opportunity, including moving in and out of short-term trade ETFs, which are going to be your leveraged ETFs or inverse ETFs, which can be thought of as leveraged shorts. And true to form, that is the ETFs that are doing well today. But it is not just Yang. We also have ETHD, that is a ProShares Ultra Short Ether ETF. It is also up today over 28%. And ETQ, that's another inverse Ether ETF, up over 29% as we are seeing Ether absolutely tanking. And as a result, we're seeing those investors pile into those inverse or those short trades as a result. We'll keep you updated on everything that is happening in the markets with the Trump tariffs. Make sure to stay tuned to ETF.com and make sure to subscribe.